So hey everybody, I just unboxed my little 2-quart crockpot. It's very small. This is my hand in it. My hand's kind of big, but it is small, but I love it. Well, I just cooked for myself, and this is going to be like maybe 2 servings or whatever. So let's see what I cook with it. Okay, so hey, it's me again. I put my ingredients in the crockpot. So let me tell you very quickly what I have in here. I put in 1 tin of Channa. You know, the tin is about 400 and something grams. I put in about 3 or 4 teaspoons of salt. That big blob you're seeing there is some margarine. That's about 1 tablespoon of margarine. I put in green seasoning, so whatever ground green seasoning you have, and then I also chopped up some green onions and some celery. I put in approximately 1 squirt of mustard, or maybe about a tablespoon, some dashes of soy sauce. I put in some turmeric, a little bit of turmeric, some paprika, some ginger. I don't know what else. I said salt already. And I'm just going to put it on high, and I'm just going to leave it for like about 2 hours to see how long or what comes out of this. Put it on the high setting of this new crockpot that I just bought. I used Cooking with Ria's recipe. So cookingwithria.com, and she also has a YouTube channel, and I just added things like mustard that I know she didn't put in, mustard and soy sauce. Alright, so 2 hours from now, let's see what's up. Okay, so this is it. This is the boiled Channa. So here's what I did. I was supposed to leave it 2 hours in the crockpot. After an hour, I realized that it just looked heated, and the sauce wasn't even forming. Let me just... Alright, yeah. The sauce wasn't even thickening, so I got my rice and multi-purpose cooker. It's like a rice cooker, but you could cook other things in it too. And I put it... I transferred it there for... I cooked it for about 1 hour, 20 minutes. So let me taste it. It got soft. Now remember, this is Channa or chickpeas from the tin. And Channa and chickpeas from the tin, I don't think it's soft enough. So I am glad that I transferred it and I was able to... soften it. The broth, the liquid, I made sure and I put a lot of liquid when I was cooking it because I wanted some to drink too. I like how it came out. But I'm guessing the crockpot, now the Channa, remember I told you tin Channa is still kind of hard. Well, hard for my liking. So I'm guessing that you have to leave it for like about 6 hours in that crockpot. Not the 2 hours that I was planning to. And as I said before, I transferred it to the rice and multi-purpose cooker for about 1 hour and 20 minutes, and this is the result. I'm glad with the result. So bon appetit.